Understanding the azimuth scale on the navigation plotter is this little slider up at the top. Some have a card that can turn and some are fixed where you have to rotate the plotter itself. The 360 degree azimuth scale is typically marked from 0 to 360 degrees, representing a full circle of directions around a compass. North being 0, east being 90, south being 180, and west being 270. The scale is usually marked in 10-degree increments with smaller ticks for 1-degree increments, allowing for precise measurement. In the following lessons, we'll talk about how to use the azimuth plotter. If you want more information, read below about aligning with the meridian. Don't forget about magnetic variation. Adjust the true course for magnetic variation to get the correct magnetic heading. And as always, like and subscribe. If you want to learn more about the ins and outs of helicopters, my courses are designed just for you. Find them in the description below. And until next time.